very good evening to one and all present here today. Welcome to Math Fiesta 2021, the Festival of Mathematics. It's a fine day, isn't it? Despite all the physical constraints built up by COVID-19 pandemic, we are here, still virtually gathered to celebrate mathematics. First of all, I would like to congratulate each one of you for the enthusiasm you have shown in attending this math by Department of Mathematics of St. Aloysius College. I, as one of the students, it's a pleasure to such a wonderful philomathic audience to know your place. As you all know, this fest is dedicated to Professor A.K. Krishnamurthy, an eminent mathematician and a great teacher who spent his years making mathematics more interesting. Following his footsteps, the faculty and students of the department have taken this initiative to create an environment of learning through fun-filled activities. So I wish each one of you all the very best and hope you have a wonderful time with us as well as a great virtual fest experience. Over to the event heads, Anmol Vismay Coelho and Raul Samuel Norana.
Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering all of us here today. May you bestow your guidance and blessings on this event so that we can enjoy and appreciate its significance in our lives. Give us the desire to find ways to excel in our work. We ask this in the name of the Lord. Amen.
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all of you are having a wonderful time. And I hope that this event would have a positive addition to your day. As for introductions, I am Anmol Coelho, one of the event head of Find Your Place, one of the
Hello everyone.
competitions under Math Fiesta 2021. I will also be your host this afternoon.
Hello everyone. This is Raul Samuel Norona and I'll be keeping a track of all the M coins you bid and also the points. So and after each round I'll be updating to you guys.
So now, before we begin, Rahul will take a small portion of your time, talk about the rules and regulations that you need to follow, along with a brief how to play. Rahul, you may take over.
Thank you, Anmol. So guys, first we'll look about the game, how to play. There are some general rules. First we'll go with bidding. So in bidding, everyone, each participant will be given 5,000 M coins for bidding. You'll have in the beginning of the play 5,000 M coins. And for each round, everyone has to bid 50 minimum M coins. So you'll be having 5,000 and you will be bidding 50. 50 will be the minimum bidding M coins. And while bidding, you should know the format through which you will bid. So here is the format X hyphen bid amount. So X will be the number, the participant number, which is already allotted to you yesterday. Even today, I've sent it in the group. So can I have a look at that? Keep a note of that number. X will be the allotted number, and bid amount. How much you want to bid. So you can see our coordinator Lizen has put it in the chat box. 3, for example, 3 is the allotted number and 1,000 will be the bidded M coins.
Yes, I hope that is clear. Does anyone have any doubts about bidding? If you do, you may unmute yourself and or put it down in the chat box.
Is there any negative marking?
Yes, there is negative marking. Well, no. You will be losing half of your bid amount, but there is no negative marking. You will not lose any points.
Okay.
Sir, can you explain with one example?
Yes, we will soon. Just a moment. Do you have any doubts about bidding? The rules and regulations that are put up in front of you. Do you have any doubt about that? We will start with an example soon. Any doubts?
If the second highest bidder answers incorrectly, does it pass on to the third highest bidder and then the fourth highest bidder,
No,
or does it stop?
no. After the second highest bidder, if the second highest bidder answers wrong, we stop there. We reveal what the answer is, and we move on to the next question or the next round. Any more doubts? If there are no more doubts, you can also put them down in the chat box. If there are more no, if there are no more doubts, we may move on to the next part. Are there any doubts? Okay, I'm going to assume no. Rahul, you may take over for the next part. Equations.
Okay, so I think you all are clear about the bidding. If you have any doubts, you can ask after the end of my session. That is explanation of the rules. So we'll go to the equations part. So here, every question will have two set of equations with two variables. One set of equation will have one variable with it. So the variables will be I and k. And these equations you'll have to solve. And after you solve, you find out the value of I and k. I will represent the latitude and k will represent the longitude of a particular place. And once you find the place, that is, once you find the value of I and k, you will be you will go to Google Maps or Google Chrome, any Google search engine you can go, and you can enter the values. And once you enter the values which you get by solving, you will get the place, and that place will be the answer. And you will have to bid, and once the bidding is done, the highest bidder will be answering that. So if anyone has any doubt.
How do we bid? Like we type it in the chat box or
Yeah, for bidding, we have already told there is a particular format, X and the bid amount. X will be the number which is allotted to you, and C, there is an example in the chat box. You can look at it. So that is the bidding procedure. Solving equations will be like, we'll give you two equations, two set of equations. You have to solve. You get the data. You enter it. You search, and you'll get a place. Place will be the final answer. So I think you all are clear about the equations. Let's have a look at the timings for each and every round. So as we told, there will be 3 rounds, and the time limit will be 1 minute for the first round, 2 minutes for the second round, 4 minutes for the third round. I repeat, 1 minute for the first round, 2 minutes for the second round, and 4 minutes for the third round. And a warning bell will be given 30 seconds prior to the final bell. Final bell will be 1 minute, 2 minute, and 4 minute. 30 seconds prior to it, there will be a warning bell which will be given. So this is the time to solve the questions, okay? 1 minute, 2 minute, and 4 minutes. For bidding, you'll have 30 seconds. So once this time is over, that is, for the first round, you'll have 1 minute to solve, and after that, you'll have 30 seconds to bid. Okay? Any doubts?
I had a doubt for the equations.
Yeah.
Will the directions be given in the equations, or do we have to even find that by ourselves?
There is no direction. These are mathematical problems. So there will be no directions or such thing. Just you need to solve the equations and find the values. And then search and get the place. Okay. Any doubts with regard to the timings?
So after we get the place, we have to bid the amount in the chat box, is it?
Yes.
Okay.
See, the bidding time will be separate and the solving time is separate. So once the
Okay.
solving time is over, the bidding time will start. The 30 seconds will be there for bidding. That time you'll have to bid in the chat box.
Okay.
Okay. And here are some general rules which you need to follow. The first one is you may use a classic calculator, a scientific one, or you can use any calculator, any sort of calculator through the online calculators also you can use. Whichever you are comfortable with, those calculators you can use. That's the first point. And the other thing is once the round starts, now it's just the beginning, so no need of keeping your video on. But once the round starts, you need to keep your videos on, the camera on. And that is why you need to sit in a place where there is very good network coverage. And anytime if you have any doubts or any queries, you can unmute. Before unmuting, you can raise your hands, no problem. Or you can just unmute and ask your queries. Yeah, so these are the general rules. If anyone has any sort of question, you can please ask. I hope there are no questions. If
What
you
is the
have,
total number of questions that be asked to us?
it depends on the round. So each round will have different questions. We'll tell that when we start each and every round. So there will be some rules depending on the round. You'll get to know. Any other questions? I hope there are no questions. So with this, we end the rules and regulations part. I hand it over to Anmol.
Yes, thank you, Rahul. Um, Now let us begin with a rather simple sample question, just to understand how this game works, including the bidding as well. So, your question is find the length I of the side of a square whose perimeter is 51.49364. I repeat again, find the length I of the side of a square whose perimeter is 51.49364. That is your first question. The second question is find the length of K of a side of a square whose area is 5601.905753. I repeat again, find the length K of a side of a square whose area is 5601.905753. The time starts now. You may solve these equations now. You can try to attempt and solve these equations. You have about 1 minute to solve this. At exactly 30 seconds, a bell will be rung. You do not have to worry about this round as this is just a sample question. The points will not be allotted for this. It's just so that you understand how to solve. 10 more seconds. And that is time. Uh, just a moment. I hope you guys are ready with the places. I hope you found the answers and did Google it, found the place. This is a sample round. Okay, so you have 30 seconds to place your bid amount in the chat box. Do make sure that you follow the format. Your time starts now. Okay. Okay, the first bidder, participant number 9 bid 1001 coins. Participant number 18 with 2000 M coins. Participant number 15 with 5000 M coins. Uh, just to make sure, you, I hope that you know this answer for sure. This is a sample round, but make sure that you don't bid the entire amount in the beginning itself, especially if you're not sure with the answer. Um, yeah, everyone's bidding 5000 M coins. Okay. Um, yes, that's time. We start. The first person to get an opportunity to answer is the first person that bid 5000 M coins. That is participant number 15. Yes, participant number 15. Uh, can you unmute yourself and tell me the answer?
So Saint Aloys College Road.
Uh, repeat again.
Saint Aloys College Road, Hampankatta, Mangalore, Karnataka.
Okay, that is close. That is close. Um, yes, it is in fact Saint Aloysius College, not College Road, Saint Aloysius College. Um, just so you all understand, if you had a slight difference in your answer, it could lead you to a nearby place. A tip for you is to understand that most of these answers will be based on important monuments, mathematically important monuments, and places. So try and adjust your answer a bit. Okay. Yes. So participant number participant number 15. It is right. It is Saint Aloysius College. It's quite the amazing college. I hope to see you all in the future there. Yes. So you get twice of what you bid. That is 10,000 M coins. So right now you have 10,000 M coins. Well, not really. It is a sample question, so it does not count. Just so you understand how it works. And you are allotted 10 points if this was an actual round. Are there any questions? Does anyone have a doubt? Still have a doubt that needs to be clarified? It is a good time to ask. Highly recommended you ask as soon as possible right now.
So we just enter the numbers that we found in the map in degree,
No,
minutes, and
no.
seconds.
Okay, I will be showing how you can find the answers.
Yeah.
The value of I and U, K, I'll be copying it from here. Just go to Google. You have to enter both the numbers with a comma in between them, and you can find here, if you click on this, you'll find the place.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Any more doubts? Any doubts about the bidding amount? How do you, the format that you need to follow? Any more questions? Okay. So I
Uh,
think we can begin.
Anmol, just to
Yes.
add on, uh, in the end of every round, we will be showing you this sheet. This sheet will keep a track on your M coins, how much you lose and how much you gain, and also the points you scored in that round.
Yes. So I'm going to begin. Let us start our event today. Let us start our event today. Yes, it is it is required that you do turn on your cameras now. Everyone, please turn on your cameras. I hope you are ready for our event. I hope everyone is ready for our event. Please put it in the chat box or unmute yourself. Come on, I'm sure all of you are excited. It is mathematics after all. Quite the exciting subject, isn't it? Sir, sir is not required, but thank you. Yes, let us begin. Round one of Find Your Place. Measuring math. This is a very simple round. You have 1 minute to solve each sum, 30 seconds for bidding, and two questions, two rounds will be two set of equations that will be present in this round. It is a very simple finding area, finding perimeter, just like the sample question. I hope everyone is ready. So let us begin with the first question. Question number one. Find the radius I of a sphere with volume 401824.9608. I repeat again, find the radius I of a sphere with volume 401824.9608. Question number two, find the radius K of a sphere with volume 123.2279005. I repeat again, find the radius K of a sphere with volume 123.229799005. The time starts now. You have 1 minute to answer this question. And that is time. I hope everyone is ready with your answers. You may place, just a moment, Karan. Just a moment, participant number 20. Participant number 14, wait. You may place your bidding amount in the chat box now. You have 30 seconds. Participant number 21 with 1000 M coins. Come on, anyone that wants to go higher than 1000, come on. Participant number 20 with 1500 M coins. Anyone else? Participant number 19 with 2000 M coins. 5 more seconds. Anyone that wants to go higher than 2000, come on. And that is time. So participant number 19 with 2000 M coins. Please unmute yourself, participant number 19.
Okay, so I got some place in Odisha.
What place in Odisha?
It says TATARBUNARS.
Okay. Okay. Sorry about the delay. Um, could you repeat your answer, participant number 19?
So the spelling is something like TATARBUNARS and Odisha.
Okay, that is the wrong answer, participant number 19.
Okay.
You lose half the amount that you bid, that is, you lose 1000 M coins. Okay. And the second highest bidder, participant number 20. You may answer the question now. Please unmute yourself.
Sir, Toli County.
What?
Toli County. TOLICOUNTY.
That is yet again the wrong answer.
China, sir.
That is yet again the wrong answer. Okay, never mind. Could we reveal the answer, please? So the place is Clermont-Ferrand, France. It's a place in France. Not Odisha, not China. Okay, so anyone have any guesses? What is the mathematical importance of this place? This is not considered for points, but if you do know what is the mathematical importance of this place, please do answer. Okay, I'm guessing anyone doesn't know. Does anyone know a mathematician called Pascal? Blaise Pascal. So this place is the birthplace of Blaise Pascal, a renowned mathematician and a statistician. Excuse me?
He's a philosopher also.
Yes, he was, but we are focusing on the mathematics part of it because he is quite known for his mathematics and his establishment in statistics as well. Okay, so uh, participant number 19 and participant number 20, you lose half the M coins that you placed. That is half of 2000 and half of 1500. So moving on to question number 2. Question number 2. Your first question is find the height I of a cone with volume 1382.444673 and radius 5. I repeat again, find the height I of a cone with volume 1382.444673 and radius 5. Question number 2. Find the height K of a cone with volume 32.070296672 and radius 7. Your time starts now. You have 1 minute to solve this equation. Ten more seconds. And that is time. I hope everyone is prepared with the answers. You may place your bid now. 30 seconds to place your bid. Come on, fast. Participant number 21 with 1500 M coins. Anyone that wants to go higher? 20 more seconds. Come on. Participant number 15 with 2600 M coins. Anyone that wants to go higher? 5 more seconds. Participant number 19 with 2000 M coins, and that is time. Participant number 19, you may unmute yourself and answer the question. Participant number 19.
Yeah, so I got Fringwood in Norwich.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Mine is the highest bid.
It was
15.
Yes, my apologies. Participant number 15, you have placed the highest bid with 2600 M coins. You may answer the question now.
So answer is Scotchfield Wood, Kings Lynn, UK.
Please repeat again.
Sir, Scotchfield Wood, Kings Lynn, UK.
That is the wrong answer. Participant number 15, you lose half the M coins that you bid. You lose 1300 M coins. Participant number 19, you are the second highest bidder. The question passes on to you. You may answer the question now. Please unmute yourself.
Can I skip?
Okay. You okay? You may skip, but you still lose half the M coins that you placed. That is 1,000 M coins. Okay. This is the last question of round one. Participant number 9, the bidding time is done. We are answering the questions now. Maybe the solution be placed on the screen. So the place, Woolsthorpe by Colsterworth. That is the important monument that had to be named.
Sir, I doubt.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, I got the same points what you have given in the solutions.
Yes.
I just, but the place isn't given like that in Google Map.
Sir, actually the K is negative and we cannot clearly see that it is negative in the question because the negative is not right before the number.
Yes, sir. It's not negative, sir. It's like volume 32.070.
Okay. Apologies on our behalf. That is an error on our side. So question number 2 is, well, discarded because it is our mistake on our behalf. So no one loses any M coins at this point. Uh, Event head Raul, are you noting this? No one loses any M coins at this round.
Yes, yes, I've noted that.
Okay.
Sir, but the answer was right, no, sir.
Yes, that is a question I want to ask. How was the answer right?
So what you are given here, that minus isn't clear. So it shows UK itself if we type in the Google map.
Okay.
So that my answer should be right, no, sir.
Nevertheless, it is not fair on our part if we give you points. We have to keep this fair and square for everyone here. The question was wrong on our part, so we do apologize again. So let's move on to round 2.
Anmol,
Yes?
before moving on to round two, see, we just conducted one question from round one, right? So it's
Yes.
better we have an additional question for round one.
Yes.
So we'll give that
Okay, sure.
to make up with this second question, okay?
Sure.
So, guys, you have another question left from round one. So that will be considered as your second question. The question which we just had will be discarded.
So until the next question is presented to you all, please do note, please keep your cameras on, all participants. Please do keep your camera on. We need to know who you are. We need to see your faces to keep this meeting as lively as possible. Also, make sure that while typing it down on Google, you do type all the coordinates. Do not skip. The reason we have so many values or so many digits in a value is because a coordinate is very specific, right? So do not skip, do not round up. Please be specific. If you're using a calculator, it's much more helpful. If you're using a scientific calculator, it's even better. Also, most
Even with the
important thing. Yes, yes.
sorry, even with the pi values, we have to be specific. Like we shouldn't put in the value that we know 3.14, but the pi value
No,
actually.
stick because stick to 22 by 7. Okay. For the pi value, stick to 22 by 7. It's much more
And
easier that way.
guys, also remember to separate the two values with a comma. Okay, the comma is very important, or else you'll combine the two values and the answer will be different. So remember to separate the two values with a comma.
Yet again, I repeat from the beginning, the variable I represents latitude and the variable K represents longitude. Do not intermix them. You will get a different place. I hope everyone knows the format DD for coordination. It's a GPS coordinate. You go latitude and then longitude. Remember this.
Anmol,
Yes.
until our coordinator sets up the question, you can explain the importance of the place, the question which we discarded, Woolstop by Colsterworth, Grantham.
Okay. Sure. Does anyone here know the importance, mathematical importance of Wolf's Throw?
Sir Isaac Newton's birthplace.
Yes, that is correct. It is Isaac Newton, a man that is well known in mathematics and looked up to, in fact. It is his birthplace, Woolsthorpe by Colesworth. So, question number two, a replacement question. Question number two, find the base I of a triangle whose height is 10.53313 and the area is 250.45. Question number two, find the height k of a triangle whose base is 13.17427 and the area is 50. Your time starts now. That is time. Participant number 15, do wait. You may place your bids now. Participant number 14 with 2,900 M coins. Still the highest bidder. Participant number 19 is still the highest bidder. 2,900 M coins. Anyone that wants to go above 2,900. Participant number 7 with 3,000 M coins. Participant number 7 with 3,000 M coins. Participant number 1 with 5,000 M coins. And that is time. And that is time. Participant number 1 with 5,000 M coins. Please unmute and answer the question.
It's Steenberg, Basel, Switzerland.
Yes, yes, it is. That is the right answer. You get twice the amount allotted to you, the amount that you bid. That is twice of 5,000. That is 10,000 M coins. And you get 10 points. Uh, does anyone here know the importance of this place? Basel, Switzerland. It's also a renowned mathematician's birthplace. Anyone knows who it is?
Can you repeat, sir?
Excuse me?
Can you repeat?
It is also the birthplace of a renowned mathematician, Basel, Switzerland. Do you know who this is? Okay. It is the birthplace of Euler. I hope everyone knows who Euler is. The Euler's constant. Leonardo Euler. It is the birthplace of Leonardo Euler. Basel, Switzerland. Okay, so the score sheet is at your screens right now. Please do check.
So after the completion of round one, we have the score sheet, and you can have a look at the M coins as well as the points. Only one person has been able to give the right answer, the participant number one, and you have got 10 points. And also, you have got double the M coins you have bid, so you have 10,000 M coins. And participant number 19 and 20 had bid for the first question, but you failed to give the right answers. You have lost some M coins, some amount of M coins. So you are left with 4,000 and 4,350 respectively. So you have still 2 rounds to go.
Yes, thank you, Rahul. I hope everyone is excited for round two. Round number two, mathematics. These will be statistical questions, basically the relationship between the mean, the median, and the mode. I hope everyone knows what the relationship between mean, median, and mode are. Okay, so starting with question number one.
Before that, sorry, Anmol. Um, Participants have a quick note of the timings. It will be 2 minutes to solve the question. There will be 2 minutes to solve the question, and after 1 minute 30 seconds, there will be a warning bell, and after 2 minutes, there will be a final warning bell. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Rahul. So question number one. Before that, I hope everyone knows what the empirical relationship between these three are. For anyone that does not know, it is 3 median equal to 2 mean plus mode. I repeat again, 3 median equals to 2 mode, 2 mean plus mode. Question number one. Please do keep your cameras on. I repeat again. Question number one. Median is 100, mode is 224.056943. Mean is I. Question number two. Median is K, mode is 20.346973, and mean is 25.4165884. Your time starts now. You have 2 minutes to answer this question. At 1 minute 30 seconds, a warning bell will be rung. Ten more seconds. 10 more seconds. Participants, please wait 10 more seconds. And that is time. The bids that are already placed will not be considered. Your bidding time starts now. Participant number 7 with 5,000 M coins already. Participant number 8 with 5,003 M coins. Rahul, does participant number 8 have that many M coins? And that is time.
Sorry, participant number 8, you don't have those many amount of M coins.
So participant number 15. Participant number 7 is the highest bidder with 5,000 M coins. That is correct?
There are multiple people who have bid for 5,000.
The first one was
coins.
participant number 7.
Yeah.
After I started the timer, that is.
So you said after now, but you said but there was a message before itself.
I cannot see any message of the sort.
Just to clarify your doubt, please do wait until the host tells you to bid the amount. Soon as you get the answer, please don't start bidding.
So we are going with participant number 7 with the highest amount. That is 5,000 M coins. Participant number 7, please answer the question.
Is it Athens, Greece, or Athens?
It is not Athens, participant number 7. You lose 2,500 M coins. So the second highest bidder, or the second person that gave 5,000 M coins, is participant number 16. Participant number 16, please unmute yourself and answer the question.
My answer was Athens, Greece too. It was Athens, Greece.
It is not Athens, Greece. Although it is a place in Greece, it is not Athens. It is a place known as Parthenon. Uh, does anyone know what is the significance of
Excuse me,
Parthenon,
sir.
Athens, Greece? Parthenon.
So
Uh,
we
I repeat again.
got the same coordinates. I mean,
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
These are the
it just
same
I
says
repeat
Athens,
again.
coordinates that
Greece.
we found.
I do repeat again. It's very important that you mention a monument. All these places, most of these places, are based on mathematical importance. It is required that you say Parthenon. Just a moment. Okay. It is told to me that we can consider the answer. The first person who answers, that is participant number 7. It is told to me that it can be considered, Athens can be considered as the right answer. So you get twice the amount that you bet, that is 10,000 M coins. Your current balance is 10,000 M coins, and you get 10 points. Okay, so anyone here knows the importance of this place?
Anmol, who's the
Yes,
participant who gets 10,000 M coins?
it is participant number 7,
Okay,
the
thank you.
first bidder, 5,000 M coins. Yes. So anyone that knows the importance of this place? It's not a birthplace. I repeat, it's not a birthplace, but it has a mathematical significance. Anyone here that knows it? Okay, so let me say this place, Parthenon, is a place in Greece, obviously, and it is known for its geometric principles. It's known for its geometric principles because they quite literally, Greek people quite literally saw mathematics, mathematics as an answer to all. It was an answer to understand God Himself or God herself. I hope some of that does apply to us as well. The importance of mathematics. Mathematics is known as the answer to the universe, the language of universe. Okay, so moving on to question number 2. Question number 2. Median 69, mode I. Mean 82.79981748. Question number 2. Median 26, mode 73.65733347, and the mean is K. Please make sure that do not place the bid amount before the timer starts, before it is told to place your bid amounts. And that is time. I hope everyone is ready with the answers. You may place the bids now. You have 30 seconds to place the bids. Participant number 16 with 3,000 M coins. Participant number 16 is still in the lead with 3,000 M coins. Anyone that wants to go higher? Participant number 21 with 5,000 M coins. And that is time. Participant number 21. Does participant 1 have 5,001 M coins? Rahul?
Yes?
Yes. Does participant number 1 have
Yeah,
5,001
yeah,
M
yeah.
coins?
Yeah, he has
Okay.
10,000, so he can bid.
Participant number 1, please answer the question.
It's Ras El Miad, Algeria.
repeat the answer?
Ras El Miad, Algeria. RASELMIAAD, Algeria.
No, I heard you. Unfortunately, that is the wrong answer. You lose half the bid amount, that is 2,500 M coins. You lose 2,500 M coins. Participant number one. The second highest bidder is participant number 21 with 5,000 M coins. Participant number 21, would you like to answer?
Sir, Barcelona, Spain. Sir, Barcelona,
Repeat
Spain.
the answer? Yes, that is the right answer. It is Barcelona, Spain. More specifically, a place called Sagrada Familia. It is a rather interesting temple. It is the opus magnum. It is considered the opus magnum of the great cathedrals.
Anmol,
Anyone here
who said the
that knows the
answer?
importance? Yes, yes, Rahul.
The number of the
Excuse me?
participant?
It was participant number 21.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Participant number 21 answered it right. He placed 5,000 M coins, therefore he gets 10,000 M coins and he gets 5 points. Anyone here that wants to answer why this place is so mathematically important? Anyone? Okay. It is about the structure and the architect as well. The architect, Antoni, was, well, a fan of asymmetry and more specifically mathematical asymmetry. This structure is based upon a hyperbolic paraboloid. I repeat again, the structure is based off an hyperbolic paraboloid. Yes, I hope Rahul is done. Moving on to question number 3 of round 2. Question number 3, median is I. You have to find your median. Mode is 33.57687. Mean is 61.6148754. Question number 2, median is 666. Mode is K and mean is 993.7366152. Your time starts now. 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds to answer your question. And that is time. I hope everyone is ready with their beds weight, participants weight. The time starts now. Participant number 14 with 5,000 M coins was the first person with 5,000 M coins. Participant number 21 with 6,000 M coins. Participant number 7 with 6,100 M coins. 6,100 is in the lead. You have 10 more seconds. Participant number 7 with 6,100 M coins. Participant number 21 with 7,000 M coins. Participant number 7 with 7,050 M coins. And that is time. Participant number 7 with 7,050 M coins. Just to confirm.
Anmol, there's a participant number 21 who has bid 8,500.
Yes, that was after the timer. After I told that is time. So participant number 7 will be considered with 7,050 M coins.
Okay.
Just to confirm, Rahul, does participant number 7 have 7,050 M coins?
Yes, yes, he has.
Yes, he does. So participant number 7, you may answer your question. Unmute yourself.
Is it Brunswick?
Sir, I bidded 9,000.
Yeah, but that was after the time limit. We just have 30 seconds to bid. You bid 8,500 as well as 9,000 after the time limit, so it won't be considered.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so participant, please answer the question.
I'm not sure if my pronunciation is correct, but is it Brunswick, Germany?
Yes, that is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. So participant number 7, you get twice of what you bid. That is twice of 7,050. 40,000
Yeah,
14,100. Get 10
14,100.
points.
Participant number
You
7.
get 10 points. So anyone here, anyone present in the meeting, anyone know the importance
Sir, one
of
doubt.
this place? Yes, yes.
Sir, both kept once only, sir, bidding.
Excuse me?
Once check in the chart, sir, timing is same.
Uh, could you repeat yourself, participant number 21? I could not understand what you said. Or if possible,
Yeah,
please type it in the chat
I
box.
think it was Sumit a query. Yes, Sumit, once the host says that the time is over, right? So as per his device, he will consider on who bid first. So the other person would get a chance. Cleared your query?
And in the Gmeet, it's displaying the time in minutes, not in seconds. So here we see the time in seconds. So he already told time up. So your comment or your bid reach after that time. So it won't be considered. Sorry.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you can try it for the next question. Yeah, Anmol, take over.
Yes, thank you, Lizan. Anyone here knows the importance of this place? It is yet again, I'm pretty sure Germany should be a good enough hint. But if it is not, excuse me?
Scientific research. Design wrestling.
Scientific research, not exactly. Why is it mathematically important?
Is it the
I'll tell it
birthplace of
myself.
Gauss?
Birthplace of?
How to pronounce his name? Gauss.
No, it is the birthplace of Isaac Newton.
No, it's correct. It is Carl Friedrich Gauss birthplace.
It's a birthplace.
My bad.
It's a birthplace of Carl
Gauss.
Friedrich Gauss. So it's the end of round 2, and guys, you participants, you can have a look at the points and also the M coins.
Yes, I hope everyone have gone through their points. Shall we move on? Let's move on to round number 3, the final round, algebra. To understand this round, it is basically linear equations in one variable. You need to solve for the variable. You should need to solve for x, or you need to solve for I and k. Rules in this round: you have 4 minutes to solve a question. 4 minutes. A timer will be given at 3 minutes 30 seconds. That is 30 seconds before the time ends. You have 30 seconds to bid yet again. Please do make sure do not bid before the time. And bid as soon when the timer starts, bid as soon as possible. If you want to go high as soon as possible. Okay, so question number 1. Question number 1. $159.12 by 24 into I plus 413.85 by 15 minus 800 equals to minus 299.84 by 32. I minus 588.91 by 47. Question number 2 is 401.3051 by 35 into K. Thus 900 minus 706.4084 by 2 equals to 1539.3603 by 15 plus 257.3293 by 5 into K. Your time starts now.
Participants, please note you have 4 minutes to solve, so you can take your time.
Ten more seconds, everyone. Please do not place the bid before the timer starts. And that is time. I hope all of you are ready with your answers and the bid. The time starts now. 30 seconds. Participant number 15 is the first one with 5,000 M coins. 5,000, 5,000. Participant number 15, you're still in the lead with 5,000 M coins. Participant number 15 is still in the lead with 5,000 M coins. Participant number 7 with 5,050 M coins. Participant number 13, the highest is 5,050 M coins by participant number 7. Participant number 21 with 10,000 M coins. Anyone wants to go higher than that? And the time stops now. Rahul, does participant number 21
Yes,
have
participant
10,000 M
number
coins?
21
Yes.
has. He does have 10,000.
Participant number
So he can
21,
bid.
please do answer your question.
Sir, can I tell the answer?
Yes, participant number 21, answer the question. Yes. Participant number 21.
Sir, can I tell the answer?
Yes,
Participant
yes.
number 21, please answer the question.
Kufra district, Libya.
No,
Excuse
participant
me,
number
sir.
21, that is the
Sir,
wrong answer. It is not Libya.
Could you please repeat? Wait, Anmol.
excuse me, sir. Sir, Kufra district, Libya.
Can you speak a bit slow? Not able to hear.
Sir, sir, Kufra district, Libya.
No, that's a wrong answer.
The second highest bidder, participant number 21 with 10,000 M coins, participant number 14 with, participant number 7 with 5,050 M coins. That is correct? Yes, participant number 7 with 5,050 M coins. You may answer the question.
Is it Budapest, Hungary?
Yes, that is correct. It is Budapest, Hungary.
So participant number 7, you get double the M coins you bid. You bid 5,050, you get 10,100.
And he gets 5 points. Rahul, please note he gets 5 points. It is
Yes,
a
yes, he
passed over
gets 5
question.
points.
Yes. So
And
anyone,
Sumit, I think, loses 5,000
yes.
coins.
Yeah, ma'am.
So anyone
Yes,
here,
he loses 5,000 coins, but he still has 5,000 left, so he can bid it in the next question.
I think we had a query, right? Somebody unmuted that time, if I'm not wrong.
anyone that had a query, please you may go ahead and unmute yourselves.
Okay, yeah. Never mind.
Okay, then let us continue. So, the importance of Budapest, Hungary. Anyone here that knows the importance of Budapest, Hungary? And you still have time.
Dance go please.
Yes?
Dance go please.
Uh,
It's not. It's a birthplace of a mathematician. So you can guess who the mathematician is.
Paul Edus.
okay, I will go ahead and tell you the answer.
Paul Ed.
Paul Edus.
I apologize. Is it an error on my side, Rahul? Can you hear what they are saying?
No, her voice is breaking. I'm not able to hear what she's.
Paul Edus.
You can put it in the chat
Not able to hear
box,
you.
Ritika. You're not
I will
audible.
go ahead and tell the answer instead. Let us move on quickly. It is the birthplace of a mathematician named Newman. John
John
was
Von Neumann.
Newman. Yes, so let's move on to question number two. Question number two. 5 by 2i plus 29 by 5i minus 8.8897587 equals to 55.23962. Question number two, the second equation under question number two, 56.3346 by 17k plus 1357894 by 24587 equals to 280.6077506 plus 10.345 divided by 25 into k. The time starts now. 10 more seconds. And that is time. I hope everyone is ready with their bids. Your time starts now. Ah, participant number 15 with 5,000 M coins. You are in the lead. Participant number 15. Participant number 15 with 5,000 M coins. And that is time. Participant number 15 with 5,000 M coins.
Sir, Erode, Tamil Nadu.
Sir, I had sent first, sir. 5001 bit, sir.
No, according to this, it is participant number 15 that sent first with 5,000 M coins. Uh,
Sir, Erode, Tamil Nadu.
5001 is not allowed.
okay. Please don't unmute unless asked to answer the question for future this thing. Rahul, he does have participant number
Yes,
number
Anmol?
15 still. Yes, participant number 15 has 5,000 M coins. That is correct.
Participant number 15 has 5,000 M coins.
Yes. Okay. So the answer you said was Erode, correct? Tamil Nadu. That is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. You get twice the amount that you bid. That is 10,000 M coins, and you get 10 points. Rahul, please do note 10,000 M coins and 10 points. Anyone here knows the importance of?
Sir, Srinivas Ramanujan birthplace.
Yes, that is correct. It is the birthplace of Ramanujan, the man of infinity. Rahul, shall we move on to the next question?
Yes.
Yes. Question number three. Your question number three is 930 by 6 minus 511.5595 by 25i equals to minus 8.32284 by 18 into I minus 208.08 by 0.3468. Equation number 2 is 15 by 0.625 into k minus 23 squared equals to minus 4278 by 93 plus square root of 36 k squared. The time starts now. Participants, wait. The timer has not started yet for bidding. Please do wait. Participants, please wait. 10 more seconds to answer your question. And the time stops. Please start your bids. You may start your bids now. Participant number 16 with 5,000 M coins. Participant number 15 with 10,000 M coins. Participant number 15 with 10,000 M coins. Participant number 7 with 11,000 M coins. Participant number 7 with 11,000 M coins. Participant number 7 is in the lead. Participant number 7 with 11,000 M coins. Your time stops now. Participant number 7, just a moment before answering. Rahul, please do confirm that participant number 7 has the M coins required.
Yes, he has.
Participant number 7, you may unmute yourselves and answer the question.
Is the answer Samos, Greece?
That is the right answer. Participant number 7. That is, in fact, the right answer. You get twice the M coins allotted to you. That is twice of 11,000 M coins. And you get 10 points. Rahul, please note. Participant number 7.
Yes,
The
noted.
right equation. Anyone here present knows the importance of Samos, Greece? It is yet another birthplace.
Birthplace.
Pythagoras.
Yes.
Yes, that is right. 2 people answered. That is right. It is the birthplace of Pythagoras. Quite the amazing mathematician, and yet one thing I'll never forget is the Pythagoras theorem, I guess. Never had to use it in real life, but I learned it anyway. So moving on to the next set of equations. Question number 4. I hope you all are ready. Question number 4 is...
This is the last question, participants. Please note the last question of the round number 3, which is the final round of the day.
Could you display the marks points?
Wait, the marks and the points will be displayed right after this question.
No, it's better if we do that now so that they get the idea.
Of
So
how many
Mohit,
M coins they have. That is fine.
yeah.
Yes.
So participants, please have a look at your coins, the M coins as well as the points.
Yes. I hope everyone has seen their scores, have seen how many M coins they have. And let us begin with the final question of Find Your Place. Question number 4 is minus 196.11824 divided by 16 into I minus 3892 by 8 equals to 563.9 0.22783 divided by 3 into I minus 1172.5 divided by 0.2345. Your second equation is 3.5 divided by 0.5 k minus 25 squared equals to the square root negative of the square root of 230.76 squared divided by 1296. Your time begins now. You have 4 minutes to answer the final question.
You have 30 seconds left.
And that is time. I hope every one of you is ready. Do not place your bids yet. Please do wait. I have a small announcement to make. Do not place your bids yet. I will start the timer soon. Do not answer the question until asked. Please do wait. Your time to bid starts now. So participant number 12 with 5,000 M coins. Participant number 12 with 5,000 M coins is still in lead. Participant number 12 is still in lead. 20 seconds. 10 seconds more, people. 5,050. Participant number 7 with 5,050 M coins. And the time stops now. Participant number 7 with 5,050 M coins.
Anmol.
Rahul. Yes, participant number
Anmol,
1.
participant number 1 put 7499.5. Yeah,
7,499.5
that was
M
before
coins.
the
Okay.
timer. And okay, Mohit is telling 20,000 is considered, but I guess put it after the timer. Mohit, can you confirm?
No. So, shall we consider participant number 7's 20,000? Okay, very well then. Participant number 7 with 20,000 M coins. You may answer the question.
Is it Raja Bazar, Kolkata, India?
I couldn't hear you. Could you repeat again, please?
Raja Bazar, Kolkata, India.
Raja Bazar, Kolkata, India. Yes, that is the right answer. But I will require you to give the coordinates as well, the I and K values. Could you repeat the I and K values?
I got the I value has 22.5675 and the
Okay.
K value has 88.370594.
Yes, that is the right answer. That is the right answer. You get twice the amount that you bid and 10 points. Rahul, please do note. Participant number 7 has gotten 10 points. So, with this, we come to an end of today's event. I hope everyone had a wonderful time. And I hope this event had a positive note to your day.
Anmol, you forgot to
Yes.
ask them the importance of the place. So if anyone knows, could please tell the importance of the place. It's a birthplace of a famous mathematician as well as a statistician.
Anyone? Some over here are unmuted. I do not know if you're answering the question. Anyone? The importance of Kolkata.
Can give you a clue since it's the last question. The person is considered as the father of Indian statistics, so you could go on answering. The birthplace of the famous mathematician and statistician.
Prasanta Chandra.
Yes? Could you please be a bit louder?
Prasant Chandra. Prashanta Chandra.
Could you repeat? Could you
Yeah.
tell?
The answer was Prashant Chandra. She was saying Prashant Chandra. It's the right
Yeah,
answer.
Prashant Chandra.
Prashant Chandra
Prashant Chandra
Mahalanobis, PC
Mahalanobis.
Mahalanobis, is known as PC Mahalanobis, the father of Indian statistics. Yes, participants, we have a bonus question. It's not considered for points, just you can answer it. As we had a sample question in the beginning, you can have you can attempt one question. It's a simple question. Mohit, are you presenting
Will
it?
this be displayed?
I'll present it. I'll present it.
Yeah, yeah.
Participants, please do not leave the meet just yet.
There are some important announcements to make regarding this event, so please do not leave the meet because something exciting is coming towards the end.
And if you have any kind of suggestions or any, you can share your feelings after this question, because this is the first time we are conducting such a competition. It's a rare competition which we uh, conduct. So we also are conducting this for the first time. So it's a unique experience for us as well as for all of you. So you can share your feelings and experiences.
We are open to feedback. And we quite literally require feedback since it is, as Rahul said, the first time that we conducted such an event, such a competition. Okay, so the presentation has started. Yes, the question is median I. Mean is 21.67, mode is 33.46. And the mean is K, the second one. And median is 42.16, and the mode is 43.72. Your time starts now.
Participants,
You have
it's
1 minute.
the second part median is 42.16, not comma. It's a typo mistake. It's 42.16. Please note that.
You have 1 minute to answer this question. And that is half time. 30 more seconds to go. And that is time. I hope everyone is ready here. You may place your bids now. Participant number 15 with 10,000 M coins. Anyone here that wants to go above participant number 15? And that is time. Participant number 15, you may answer the question.
Sir, Patna, Bihar.
Excuse me?
Sir, Bihar, Patna.
Yes, that is the right answer. It is Patna, Bihar, in India. So anyone here knows the importance of Patna, mathematical importance. Who was born in Patna? Since it's a sample question, I'll give you a hint. He is considered a person that invented a number.
Can I answer that?
Vasishta Narayan.
Is it Aryabhatta?
Yes, it is Aryabhatta. It is the birthplace of Aryabhatta. So, A Google form has been put in the chat box. I hope all of you do fill it. I will be handing it over to Lizan soon.
Okay, hello everyone.
Lizan?
Yes, thank you, Anmol. So, hello everyone. Hope you had a wonderful time this evening with this competition. Know your place, where you had to seek X to know what Y was, and you had to find a place. I hope it was an interesting activity for you all. So we've sent a feedback link in the chat box. Okay. So we really appreciate if you give your genuine feedback on how you felt and how the entire event went. And if you have any suggestions, it's very welcome. Okay. One more thing was there will be a valedictory ceremony on 7th September. The more details will be given in the WhatsApp group. So we request you to not leave the WhatsApp group and be there in the group till the announcements are done and till you get the instructions from the coordinators. Okay, so we kindly fill in the feedback form, and if anybody wants to unmute and speak on how on your experience on how this event went, you're welcome to. So would anybody like to unmute and share your experience? The stage is yours. Come on, people. Just like 30 seconds would be enough, or even 50 seconds for that matter. Yes, I think, yeah, Neha.
This event was really nice and unique. It was like nothing I've ever attended before. I mean, there were many competitions and quizzes, but this was very unique and refreshing. I think it's a good job, and I really liked it.
Okay, thank you so much. Definitely means a lot. Yes, Ritika.
This is the first time I attended a mathematical event, and actually, and my Google and math both were not with me, so I couldn't answer properly. But when the others answer, I feel like it's like interesting. It's like another opportunity to attend like this like competitions. I would definitely like to attend, and it was a great competition, like event only.
Okay, thank you so much for your valuable feedbacks, Ritika and Neha. We are indeed glad that you all liked the event and you had some amazing time. So I hope all of you filled the feedback form.
Participant number 1 and 15, just please don't leave the meeting. If you have filled the form also, please don't leave the meeting, 1 and 15.
Hope you all filled the feedback form. Okay. So as said, participant 1 and 15, please stay back. And others can leave the meeting. Have a great evening. Please take care, stay safe, stay home. And Anmol, you could give your concluding thoughts.
Yes, thank you, Lizan. I hope everyone had a wonderful time. I must say, this was a quite exciting event, even for me to host. Although some mistakes were made from my part, I do apologize for that. Uh, Thank you for the Department of Mathematics, St. Aloysius College, for conducting Math Fiesta 2021 and helping us get an event like this, as innovative of an event like this, forward. I also thank everyone else other than the participants who tuned in to listen to this, to go through and check out this event. And most importantly, here I thank all the participants that tuned in and participated. Thank you all.
Have a great evening, people. Hope you had a good time.
Good day, people, and all the best for your PUCs.
Thank you. Have a great day, y'all. Also.
Thank you.
Thank you.